So okay, I hope I'm audible. Okay. So welcome all of you. So you are the join the call. So please put your name in the chat box. So I will get to know you are the joining the session. So I will request you are the join the session. So please put your name in the chat box. So I will know that. Okay. So thank you, Shravan. Also, four member also they have joined. So please like your name in the chat box. Also, please like the this video. Okay. Okay. So I hope you have the team. So we'll wait for the content and then we'll start. Okay. So from and almost there to four member also they have done. Please, I will request you please like your chat box. Now my so now my audio is clear. Can anyone please confirm my audio is clear? Okay. So okay. So thanks for the confirmation. So okay. Your other member, please type your name in the chat box. Okay. Yeah, we will wait more 2 minutes, and then we will start the session. Uh, okay. So now we will start the session. So I'm sharing my screen. Yeah. Please let me know my screen visible or not. So yeah. Can someone please confirm my screen visible or not? Yeah, okay. So thank for the confirmation. Okay, so now I will start the session. So first of all, welcome all of you for the and thank you for the joining the session. So I hope this session useful for you. So basically, this session very interesting session, and this session basically useful for you if you are the fresher or if you are the working experience. And basically, in this session, I will explain you the different tips for the optimization of Naukri profile. So all of you know that we are the updating your profile on the Naukri. Okay, so basically for the fresher, it is a very difficult that getting the call from the naukri.com. Okay, so they are struggling to getting the call, or what is the different type of mistake they will do after the uploading the profile on the naukri.com. Okay, so in this session I will guide you how you can optimize our naukri profile very effectively, and also the 10 simple tips and tricks for the optimizing the our naukri profile. Okay, so once you upload or once you optimize your profile, then definitely you will get the call, you will get the start the call from the naukri.com, or you will get the notification from the naukri.com. Okay, so basically why this basically optimization need, and how the recruiter will be shortlisted for the any kind of the candidate when they are searching any kind of the interview for any kind of the candidate. Okay, so all these things I will cover in the session. Basically for the fresher, this session is very useful for the optimizing their profile. And also I will end up the session, I will also share you the important tips. If you apply that tips, then definitely your profile will be optimized, and you will start the getting the call from the naukri, and also some recruiter will be call you. Okay, so basically if you check in the below slide, so performance will be increased if you apply the all this detail. Okay, so before the starting the session, so if you are the fresher or not getting any call, okay, from the Naukri, or have you updated your Naukri profile? Have you optimized your Naukri profile? If no, then join the session. Okay, and end of the session, I will also give the bonus for the candidate who have the attend the session till the end. I will personally attend your Naukri profile. I will also suggest you for the whatever the requirement that will be basically useful for you for the optimize your Naukri profile. And also I will guide you for the our the career guidance this session. I will also give the some discount on the online session that I will conduct in our group. Okay, so okay, without further delay, let's start the session. So whoever the join, so I will again request you please drop your name in the chat box, and also you can like the video. Also, this session very useful. You can share this session with your friends, and if you have any family member looking for the change, but they are struggling for the you're not getting the call, so you can share this video along with your friends and family member. Okay, so hello Swapnil, Sanjana, Shravan, and who basically other six member. So they have not put their name in the chat box. So okay, so okay, without further delay, let's start the session. So optimize your Naukri profile. 10 simple tips and tricks for the 2025, and how the Naukri profile will be working. Okay, so how the Naukri profile will be work, and how Naukri profile using the Naukri profile recruiter will be call you, and why you are not getting the call. So this all the question we will understood in the session. So before the moving for the optimization tips, so first of all we need to understand that basically so I will just give the my small introduction. So my name is Praveen Auti. Currently I'm working with Precision System Limited in a Mumbai location. So my currently working as an engineering lead position, and I have almost 6.6 years of work experience in a MSBI developer. Along with that, I will also work on the Microsoft certification like Microsoft Azure, then MS SQL Server, MSBI like SSIS, SSRS, then SSAS. Also, I have done the Power BI certification, and also I have the knowledge of the advanced Excel. So apart from that, I have done the Microsoft certified exam like Azure Fundamental, Azure AI Fundamental, then Azure Data Fundamental. So you can reach me on my LinkedIn, or also you can reach me on my YouTube channel. So link I given in a description box. So you definitely reach me in my description box. Okay, so okay, so now we will go further. So basically before the understanding that, So basically first we will understand that how the Naukri portal will work. So okay, so once you understand that the Naukri profile work, then definitely you will know that how the recruiter will be searching for the candidate and why you are not getting the call from the naukri.com, because of you have uploaded your resume, you have mentioned your, you have updated your resume, well mentioned your resume, and you have uploaded your all the detail on Naukri portal, but still you are not getting the call. So the reason behind that, you have not optimized your Naukri profile. Okay, so the reason is that only one thing is that, and other candidate will be receiving the call, they are shortlisted for the many job opening, but you are not getting the call. So reason is that I will clearly show you and I will prove you, because of I have the, before the conducting this session, I have the done some practical on my some candidate profile, and then I will get to know that this is the problem, and that's the reason you will not getting the call, or your profile not optimized, and then your searches will be low down, and then basically this the reason is that your Naukri profile from the Naukri or any recruiter or any HR will not reach you. So once you basically we will understand the Naukri portal. Okay, so all of you know that basically you have uploaded your resume, but I will shortly introduce the Naukri profile portal. So basically there is a two login. So first login for the candidate, like the job seeker, basically you, me, or so who is looking for the job. Okay, so this is the login, first login, and second login for the basically for the recruiter or the employer. So basically employer means the company HR or any consultancy or anyone who has given the or posting the job in a Naukri portal. So second login for that. So then we will understood that how the Naukri portal will work. Okay, so the basically there is a one login for the job seeker. Basically they are creating their profile, they are uploading their personal detail, education detail, resume, and after the completion of the profile, then they will search the job and apply the job based on their skill. Okay, after that they will either it will be reach any recruiter or not, but after the that one definitely your profile will be shortlisted. After that interview will be happen and you will selected. Okay, then second profile is for the recruiter. So recruiter means the HR, or you can say the company HR representative that using the this portal. So basically for that they will posting the job, or either they will finding the candidate. Okay, for the any job opening. Okay, so for that basically they are first of all profile shortlisting, then they will go for the resume selected. So basically they will select the resume particular candidate, and for that they will use the advanced filter method. So advanced filter method very important thing, and I will explain you in a further slide that how the advanced filter method will be work, and this is the reason that is the why your profile not shortlisted. Okay, then next one basically if you look at that, so basically this is the one, the login. Basically this is the Naukri portal. Once you log in this portal, so basically you will first of all you can go to the login portal. Either you can create your own account, or you can if you have already account, then you can log in using the login ID and password. Okay, once you log in that portal, then you will get your profile. Okay, so in the left side you can check your profile. So here you will upload all your detail, like your uh, profile creation, then you can also upload your basically the other detail, like the for example you will upload your personal detail, then you will also upload for the your education detail, you will also upload your basically resume, all these things you will upload. So you can basically upload the other preference location and all these things. Okay, that already you're done. Okay, but you have not done like the profile optimization. Okay, so profile optimization is a technique that enhance your profile, or your profile will be ranked. Okay, so all this technique, or for that we will use the 10 simple tips that I will explain in the further slide. But before that, you will understood that how the Naukri portal will work. Okay, then next basically for the optimization that we understood, but if you not optimize your profile, then you, if you check, your activity level will be very medium or low. Okay, so this should be like I will explain you. But if you check your performance of your profile, like the minimum searches, recruiter action is a 0, and the minimum searches is a 3. So only the 3 recruiter will be search your profile, but not call. Okay, And also you can check the fourth number, there is a no activity in your profile. So this is the reason your profile not optimized, and you will not getting the call, or you are not getting the any notification from the Naukri or any HR. Okay, so I will show you how the optimized profile. So basically, if you optimize your profile, so you can check your activity level will be high, and also you can check if your profile will be searches will be increased, means automatically the Naukri engine will be basically suggest your profile to the recruiter. Okay, if you done the optimization, so you can check there is a 1034 search will be happen, and after that if the 1034 searches will be there, then 96 recruiter will be action, means they will directly call you, or they will send you the notification, or they will connect you. So if the searches will be increased, then only there is a chances for your optimizing of your profile. So this is the happen only if you have optimized your profile, and I will explain you how you can optimize your profile. Then next one, basically I will give the some 10 important tips that in a upcoming session, in a current session, that basically if you use, then your profile will be definitely optimized, and you will getting the lot of calls or lot of notification from the Naukri profile. Okay, so you can apply these things, and if you have any doubt, you can reach me on my the contact detail, or you can reach me on LinkedIn profile. So this is the 10 number of tips that I will explain you in this session. Okay, so the next, basically after the, basically you apply the, then you can search the apply, then you can also apply for the any kind of the opening. Then basically after that, basically what you can do, you can, your profile will be shortlisted, then basically you will get the receive the notification for the HR, or you will interview will be scheduled. Okay, so this is the happen once you optimize your profile. Okay, so this is the thing that we can conduct, and I will explain you in this session how you can optimize your profile. Okay, definitely if you attend this session 100%, you will get the many things from this session. Okay, so the next, basically the second one that is a recruiter profile. So I will also explain the recruiter, how the recruiter will be work. So basically they have also their login. So in the Naukri portal, same, if you check the employer login, so there is a recruiter login. Okay, so they will also using their credential, they will log in into their Naukri portal. Okay, so either they will log in for the posting the job, or either it will be for the hiring for the any kind of the candidate. Okay, so basically for that, they will, how the basically recruiter finding the resume from the Naukri. Okay, so for example, resume search. So for the resume search, they will use the advanced filter. This is provided by the Naukri. Okay, and basically the data basically store in a Radrix data. So Radrix is a database that will be used for the storing the resume, or storing the data of the candidate or recruiter in a Naukri profile. Okay, so this is a resume database access. This is a one kind of the database tool that will be using for the filtering the data from the candidate. Okay, then basically after that, basically the next step is a Boolean search technique or Boolean search algorithm. So this is the algorithm basically used for the searching the candidate from the Naukri portal by the recruiter or HR. So basically this Boolean search algorithm, I will show you, and I will also show you the practically how the this Boolean search algorithm will use. And when I experiment my some student resume or student some Naukri portal, then I get to know that ki, basically this is the thing that will be happen. Due to that, you will they will not receive the call. Okay, or not receive the any updation. Okay, so the Boolean search technique, basically it will be and or not. So in a SQL, basically all of you know that key and or not, this is a condition based. So same like that, Boolean search algorithm will work, and based on the Boolean search algorithm, profile will be shortlisted from the Naukri. So basically if you think about that key, in a Naukri portal there is a 1 lakh plus no, student have uploaded their resume or their profile. Okay, but only some of the few profile will be shortlisted. How it will be happen? Because of you have the same skill, you have the same knowledge, or you have the same resume uploaded, but why they will receive the call but you are not receiving the call? So reason is that this is the two thing, because of they have optimized their profile and you have not optimized your profile. This is the reason due to that you will not receive the call from the Naukri or basically the recruiter, okay, from the they are using the Naukri portal. So now the next thing is that basically the profile shortlisting. So basically once they will receive the candidate profile, then they will shortlist the candidate, okay, and after that basically either your searches will be increased, and then definitely they will receive the communication from the HR or Naukri, or they will receive the like the email invitation or whatever may be, but their profile will be shortlisted. The communication happen with candidate, and second thing is that basically the recruiter, okay. So this is happen, and after that their schedule for the candidate interview, okay. So this is happen, okay. So basically this is the thing that basically backend it will be done, okay. Then basically we will go through like that, basically interview will be conducted and candidate will be shortlisted, okay. Then now we will take the one example, and we will understood that how the recruiter search criteria will work and how the Naukri search engine will be work, okay. So that we will understood in the slide. So if you think about that, basically if you understood this, how the Naukri portal or how the recruiter will be search criteria will be executed on the Naukri portal, and how they will shortlisted for the some candidate or some student. But in that basically, for example, there is a Naukri, there is a 1 lakh plus resume uploaded or 1 lakh plus profile created by the student, but only for the few of the candidate will be receive the response, or a few of them not receive. So basically the reason is that this is the slide, and I will explain you, and I have the completed the experiment on the my some profile, so then I will get to know like this. So basically this is a profile. Let's say consider this is a your profile, or you can consider this is the X person profile. They have uploaded their resume, and they have created their own profile on the Naukri.com, okay. So like the profile, like the this is the name, then job title is the basically SQL developer, skill is the SQL SSRS database development, then year of experience like 6 years, or if you say like if you're the fresher, we can consider your profile, okay. Notice period immediate, sorry, notice period is a serving notice period, last working day 15 August 2025. Then last profile updated today at 10 a.m. and resume title. So this is a very important. Resume title is a like Praveen underscore Outi underscore 6 years experience underscore SQL developer underscore immediate join dot PDF. So this is the resume file name that uploaded in a resume on a LinkedIn, sorry, in a Naukri portal, okay. So basically this candidate looking for the job, and he optimized their profile, okay. Then what happened, basically this is the, you can consider this is a 1 lakh plus candidate will be should be uploaded their own profile on the naukri.com. So what happened the backend, so basically this all the detail will be stored in a Naukri, the basically the database access like the radix database where the all the data will be stored, okay. So all the detail of the candidate will be stored, okay. So basically all the details stored. Then so let's say consider is a for example XYZ company. So there is a one recruiter searching the opening. There is a one opening for the SQL developer, and they are searching for the candidate from the Naukri portal. Okay. So how the recruiter will be searched criteria will be is there to finding the exactly finding the candidate from the Naukri portal. Okay, and you can consider your profile match with like this opening. Okay, so you can check the recruiter searching the criteria like this. Position is a SQL developer. Experience is a 5 to 6 years experience they have required, and also notice period like the serving notice period or immediate joiner. Then skill is a SQL SSRS. Then optional field is a SSIS. Then resume is a freshness updated in the last 1 day. So this is the criteria basically they are performing when applying the for the any kind of the search criteria, okay. So the job description also they have given like the this is a job description, and they are looking the based on this criteria only student. So basically what happened in a backend, so once their search criteria will be decided, then what they will do done, this search will be happen in a Naukri profile or Naukri backend, okay. So they will search the candidate in a Naukri database, okay. So in a backend what happen in a Naukri, once they will fire the like the search the criteria using their portal in the backend, basically there is a boolean search algorithm will be work. Okay, so this is a boolean search algorithm. Basically, what will do? So basically, this boolean search algorithm, whatever, like this is the 1 lakh. Basically, for this search criteria, there is a 1 lakh profile will be there. Okay, and out of that, basically, they this boolean search algorithm exactly match candidate will be profile will be shortlisted. Okay, so basically based on that your search will be increased. Okay, so basically if your profile will be optimized and up to date, like I will explain you which type of the 10 important tips that you can apply, and then you will your profile if fall into under the boolean search algorithm, then definitely you will profile will be shortlisted. So backend what happen, boolean search algorithm will be work, and this boolean search algorithm like selecting the data like this. So you can consider like they are searching the SQL developer or database developer and SQL and SSRS and immediate joiner or notice period or serving notice, not fresher, and basically profile last updated less than or equal to get date day minus one up to get date. Okay, so basically this is the one kind of the query, or you can say the this is the one kind of the structure, or this is the one kind of the algorithm will be uh, exactly happen in a backend. Okay, so this is a one example, you cannot consider like this one, but this is something happen in a backend, and you can check here. Basically you can there is the or and not, this is the three keyword basically use. Okay, so in that basically you can check profile last updated greater than or equal to today, sorry, get date, date add, basically in that day minus one get date means basically the 24 hours before, means like one day before who have updated their profile, only those candidate profile will be searched. Okay, or shortlist. Okay, then second criteria is that your profile like the they are searching for the position like the SQL developer or database developer, so you have to mention your job title like the SQL developer. Okay, and skill basically SQL and SSRS. So if you mention your skill accurately in your Naukri profile, then basically SQL SSR, these two profile is matching there, then your profile will be shortlisted. Or second thing is that immediate joiner. So how they your profile will be following into this criteria or this condition, like if you basically you can check your updated your Naukri last notice period is a serving notice period. Okay, so basically based on that your profile will be basically shortlisted on the boolean search algorithm. So after that basically for let's say example there is a 100 profile will be shortlisted out of 1 lakh profile, and out of the 1 lakh profile 100 profile will be shortlisted by the boolean search algorithm. Okay, so that 100 profile will be again passed to the advanced filter. Okay, so this is a very advanced filter basically using for the recruiter, basically filtering your profile. Okay, so out of the 100 profile, if you optimize your profile, okay, if you optimize your profile, then only this advanced filter will be search your profile. Okay, so basically if suppose there is a 100 profile will be getting from the boolean search, then only for the 10 or 15 profile will be filter using the advanced filter, and this advanced filter only work if you apply or if you optimize your profile regularly, or if you or if you done any kind of the changes, or if you regularly activate on the Naukri portal. Okay, because of only activate person will be, or only activate profile will be suggested by the Naukri portal. Okay, automatically. So once this will be happen, then your profile will be shortlisted into that 10 number of profile. Okay, and out of that 10 number of profile, there is a maybe chances you will receive the call from the HR, and also it is a basically it is happen of your profile shortlisted, and you will receive the no invitation for the interview. Okay, and after that if you clear the interview you can join that company. Okay, so this is happen in a backend, and basically due to that basically we need to optimize your Naukri profile, we need to done the changes in a backend, you can regularly update your Naukri profile. So I hope you will understood this logic, and basically this is a backend criteria, this is a Naukri search engine will be work. Okay, so now we will move further. So next basically now you can consider like the basically the basically you can check, basically this is the happen like this is the one type the code, not exactly you can just consider this code will be like this code will be work in a backend. Basically this algorithm will be shortlisted candidate. But if you are not done your Naukri profile optimize, or if you not regularly update, or if your not activity level is a lower, then it will be not searching your profile like this. So if you have not completed your profile 100%, like this is the orange symbol, then basically if you're missing some detail, then your profile will be not shortlisted. Okay. Then also if you're not active, activity level is like medium or low, so then also your profile will be not shortlisted under that criteria. But if suppose all these things, basically this all these things happen and your profile not shortlisted, you will not receive the call from the Naukri.com. Okay. And many recruiter will be basically reject your profile, okay, due to this reason. Okay. But if you optimize your profile, if you regularly update some detail on Naukri portal, then definitely your profile will be shortlisted like this. If you optimize like this, so if you complete your profile 100%, or if your activity level is high like this, or if your performance, then definitely if definitely you will getting the search appearance more. Then there is a chances like you can check there is a 1034 search appearance, and out of that 96 recruiter will be call you. Okay. So this is a reason, due to that your profile and some reason that case some candidate will be receiving the call from the Naukri, and some candidate saying that ki I'm struggling with the Naukri.com, I am not receiving the any call. Basically the reason is that basically. Okay. So basically, I will suggest you can apply the all the changes that I will explain you. Definitely, your profile will be highlight, and your profile will be ranked, and definitely you will receive the call not immediately, but it will be you can start this activity in a 7 level. I will explain you in a next slide how you can start your activity, how you can done the changes, all these things. So if you want your profile will be ranked, if you want you will receive the call daily basis, then definitely you can attend the session, and you can till the end you can continue the session. I will definitely guide you for that. So the next, so basically the Naukri resume format, so basically very important thing. So if you not updated so first thing is that I will clear you that. So I have also received the many student the comments like that ki, sir, I have the well mentioned my resume format. Okay. So in that resume format I have the mention all the my detail, like I have mentioned the good format, I have mentioned the clear format, then I have updated my resume regularly. So basically you can uh, my suggestion is that basically the Naukri, basically before the download your resume, Naukri will be basically search your profile. Okay. So your profile will be searched, and after that only your profile will be shortlisted by using the Naukri search algorithm, then only your resume will be downloaded. Otherwise your resume no one will be looked directly. Okay. HR not directly go to your profile and looking your resume. Basically if you optimize your profile, definitely your profile will be searched, or if your profile will be ranked, and then if the rank will happen, your profile will be searched, then recruiter will be take the action, like they will download your resume. Okay. But before that you can apply some keyword, or if you apply some regularly update some detail, then this is the first thing. So my request is that whoever the basically who was thinking like this key, basically I have the uploaded my resume on Naukri, I have completed all my detail, then I will but still I'm not receiving the call, or I'm not receiving the notification from the Naukri. So this is the very basically this is the wrong. you ca- Basically first of all my suggestion is that you can optimize your profile, Naukri profile. You can manually update, you can regularly update your profile, then only your profile will be shortlisted, and after that your resume will be downloaded. There is a no meaning before that. How you can optimize your how you can mention your resume, how you can basically your resume is a good format or not. This is a second thing, but before that your Naukri profile is a first thing. Okay. So yeah, but there is this is the resume format also is a very important thing. because of this resume format will be before your interview, your resume basically the first thing that will be in a recruiter hand. Okay, so if your resume very good format, or if your resume is a well, then definitely your profile will be shortlisted, and there is a chances that key basically your selection or your, whatever the next things that will be based on your resume. So in the session I will share you my resume, and I will show you how we can optimize or how we can create our resume. Okay, some tips I will give on you, but if you want basically basically you need some guidance for the how you can write a resume, how you can clear, how you can create a resume, then you can reach me out. I will definitely guide you how you can create a resume. Basically you can take the nowadays basically many many tools available in internet, so you can use that tools and you can generate your resume. Okay, so basically this is my resume. That basically first of all one thing is that resume file name. So first important thing is that your file name should your resume file name should be your first name underscore experience, or if you are the fresher you can mention the fresher, then your skill, and if you are the immediate joiner you can mention the your immediate joiner dot pdf, and only pdf format you can apply. Okay, then you can check, you can clearly like a simple format you can apply, like you can create your job summary, or if you're the fresher, so you can whatever the technology you use like this, your technical skill you can mention clearly. Like in my case I have the mention my etl data warehouse sql or whatever I have already used that tools. All my skills I have mentioned in my resume. Okay, then other than if your work experience in that current company you can mention the clearly your whatever currently your work basically what is your current project, your responsibility in that current company. uh, then if suppose you're working on the multiple company, then you can definitely what is your previous role, client name, then which type of the work you will current working on that current company. Then lastly you can update your basically the certification and training. So some if you have done any kind of the certification or any conducted any kind of the training, so you can update all these things in your Naukri. Okay, in your resume portal. Okay, then your education. So lastly you can mention your education like the single or if you have any table format you can also use the table format. Your achievement, so basically you can update your achievement, and also in the lastly you can mention your personal detail. It is optional, it is not mandatory to add your personal detail, but you can mention all these things in your Naukri profile. And also I will suggest you some important tips, like so basically resume headline. So basically this is the my resume headline, you can check professional summary. So this is the you can clearly mention your resume headline. Okay, then key section, so this is my technical skill, you can mention clearly like this format. Okay, not much complex, it is a very simple format, you can mention the simple format. You can not use the graphical format, or you can not use any kind of the picture on your resume, or basically other things. If you have done any certification you can take the picture, or if you take anything. Okay, then next one is a keyword. So basically based on your resume whatever the keyword you have used, you can highlight that keyword, like performance tuning, bi reporting, supporting and optimization. If you have done the Azure certification, or if you're working on the any kind of the cloud technology, you can highlight those things, you can bold those things. Okay, then use ats friendly formatting. So ats friendly formatting means you can basically a simple format, not too complex, not any other things. Okay, so it is a very simple format you can use. Then next one basically the simple text based structure. Okay, so simple text based structure means basically this is the format you can use. You can use like the Times New Roman or Celebri. Then the font size not more than the 12 or not more than the 13. Okay, so this is a thing you can apply. Definitely your resume will be ranked, and once your resume will be ranked, so it will be impressed by the interviewer. Okay, so the now we will go to the most important tip. And for the session, for this session basically the 10 important tips for the maximize reach to the recruiter, or you can get the maximum call from the naukri.com. How you can take the maximum call from the naukri.com. So if you apply these 10 tips, definitely your profile will be ranked, and if your profile will be the basically optimized, and many recruiter will be call you, or Naukri also sending the notification, or Naukri also suggested your profile to the recruiter. Okay, so basically this is the two type of the benefit if you update your profile or if you optimize your profile. Then the important tip to improve Naukri profile visibility. So this is the thing that if you apply, so your Naukri profile visibility will be increased. Okay, so this is a very basically important for the fresher. Okay, or if you are the experienced person, also it is a very important, because of if you are the immediately looking the job, so then also this is a very useful. Then important tips and trick for the fresher Naukri profile. I will in end of the session I will share you the important tips for the fresher for the optimizing. Okay, so this is the thing you can do like this 10 tip and tricks, but out of that basically behind that basically you can apply the more tip on the Naukri profile. So basically it will be benefited for you. So okay, so without further delay, so let we will start the 10 tips and tricks for the optimize your Naukri profile. And I will request you whoever the join the session, you can type your name in a chat box. So I will definitely guide you, and only the some people who has joined the session, they will receive the bonus for the after this session. Okay, then next, so first important tip is that resume headline. So basically make it search friendly. Okay, so basically the basically once you basically this is a very important tips for the fresher or experienced person. Resume headline. So what is the resume headline? So basically if you check once you log in into your Naukri portal, so there is a left side you can check there is a resume headline. So this is a thing where the we need to done the changes, and I will explain you how we can done the changes. So sorry, so this is the second point where the resume headline. So based on your skill and based on your availability or based on your the job role, so you can update your resume headline first. Okay, so this is the make simple, like for example you can check SQL developer 2.1 years of experience, like this is the basically the symbol you can use. Then after that this is separation symbol you can use. After that expertise in a T-SQL SQL server, and what is the version, like 2019 SSR is SSI production support. So basically you can update your resume headline like this way. So basically in that basically in a resume headline basically you can mention your job title, key skill, year of experience, then immediate joiner. Basically these things you can apply in your resume. Okay, sorry, in your resume headline. So example we can take the one example, also we can take the second example for the fresher how we can they can write this resume headline. Like if you are the SQL developer, or if you are the Java developer, or if you are the full stack developer, then you can mention like the full stack developer, Power BI, or it whatever it may be. Then you can use this separation symbol for the separation of the string. After that you can mention the, if you're the fresher then fresher, if you have the experience then you can mention the year of experience, and then ready to join. So this is a compulsory you can mention, and you can update your resume headline accordingly. Okay, so then next one tips more important tip, daily even small changes. So you can mention the small changes in your resume headline daily. Okay, so you can mention some changes in your resume. Okay, so basically I will show you. So basically first of all you can go to your Naukri portal. Okay, so once you go to Naukri portal, left side there is a resume headline, so you can click on the pencil icon. And this is the basically I have not optimized this profile, but once I have take the some help of the AI tool, and based on that AI tool basically I have the uh, basically optimize my resume headline. Okay, so you can also optimize your resume headline, or you can mention your resume headline. So basically once that done, so you can update your resume headline, and then you can click on the save icon. Okay, so there is a in the last you can check there is a save button, you can click on the save button. This way you can successfully updated your resume headline. Okay, so basically this thing you can complete in a first step. Then the next step I will explain you. So the second important tips, that is a optimize resume file name. Okay, so this is a very important thing. So optimize your resume headline. So why it is important? Because of based on your resume name. Okay, resume file name. So recruiter may be search in a search criteria or advanced filter. Your resume will be, if the searches will be it will be happen, then your there is the probability is that ki your profile will be shortlisted. So you can optimize your resume file name. Like for example, you can go to your Naukri portal, and there is a basically resume section. You can click on the resume section, and there is a resume format. So you can check, this is the one kind of the student. So basically your first name, last name, then if you have the work experience, you can mention the 2 years of experience underscore. You can basically the your job role like SQL developer, Java developer, or if you're the any full stack developer, you can mention that one. After that you can mention the underscore immediate join. If you're the immediately join, then only. Okay, otherwise you can mention the whatever it may be, but you can, if you're the immediate join, then only you can mention. Otherwise you can not mention this thing. After that, this is a PDF format. So basically what happened, so basically your resume basically relevant to the keyword. Like example, that I have mentioned you your name, your role, and then if you're the immediate joiner, then you can mention the your immediate joiner. Okay, so basically recruiter can be searched by the resume file name. Okay, so basically in a Naukri portal, so many basically maybe there is a possibility, there is a recruiter or HR will be search the basically desired or required job profile based on your the resume. Okay, so if you have mentioned your resume file name clearly, then there is a chances your profile will be shortlisted. Okay, so then next basically I will show you how you can optimize your. So basically you can log into your Naukri portal. You can go to the resume section. There is a, you can check, there is a one more thing. So basically yeah, so the last updated. So basically if you not updated your resume regularly, so you can check. So this is my resume that I updated on May 15, okay, 2025. But if suppose today is a fourth, so basically that means ki basically this is a resume not update. So I will request you, you can update your resume regularly, because of Naukri suggested only regularly updated candidate profile to the recruiter. Okay, so this is the first thing. Then the next one is that, so how we can rewrite our resume name. So for that I have already created my one folder, and in that folder you can mention, I have mentioned my first name, last name, then underscore 6 years of work experience underscore my profile, then my key skill. Okay, then basically you can say to PDF format, and you can come to the this portal, upload your profile. You can select that particular file, and you can upload your profile. Okay, you can upload your resume. Okay, so once you uploaded resume, you can check there is a success. Okay, so this is the thing you can do in a second stage. Okay, then next basically okay, so basically now we will go to the next. So the third important tip is that skill section, IT and key. So basically there is the skill section. You can maximize your visibility. So you need to visible your maximum visibility. So basically there is a one section. There is a, we call it as the IT section or key section. Okay, key skill. So basically we can optimize our this section. Okay, so how we can optimize that, I will explain you. So basically in this section, basically what you can do, you can add 15 to 13 relevant skill in your profile. Okay, so basically if you're the working on a SQL developer, and along with that, if you're the working on the database development, or if you're the some application support, or if you're the fresher, and if you're the working on the different technology, like the, if you have the work on the like the MySQL database, if you have the knowledge on the any cloud certification, or if you have the knowledge on any kind of the other technologies, so you can mention your IT skill. So you can basically there is a experience. So based on the fresher, you not mention the fresher, you can mention the 0 years of experience, but you can mention your skill in a IT section. Because of, if you add this keyword, then definitely the search algorithm will be find your profile and they will suggest for the recruiter. So I will show you how we can add the IT skill and the key skill in our your profile. Okay, so basically for that, so you need to go to your Naukri portal. Okay, so once you go to your Naukri portal, so you can go to the left side. There is a key skill. Okay, so you can click on the key skill. You can click on the pencil icon, and there is a basically you can add your skill. So, for example, if you are the working as a Java developer, then you can mention your Java development. In that, basically, if you are the working on the core Java, advanced Java, or Angular JS, Node JS, or if you are the working in the backend like the basically full stack development, then you can add all the whatever you have the work. So basically this is the chances, there is the basically probability is that based on any keyword basically your profile will be shortlisted. Okay, so if you're the working on the Power BI or any tool, so for the fresher you can add. So basically your academic detail, like if you're the done any kind of certification also you can mention in this section. Okay, so second thing is IT skill. So basically in a IT skill, basically if you're the experienced person, then you can mention your IT skill. For example, I'm updating my IT skill like the database performance tuning and last use, then year of experience. So it is a very important that you can mention your year of experience in that particular skill. Okay, so because of if you mention that, so basically it will be also optimize your profile. So also you can also already updated any skill, but you're not updated, so you can update those skill. Okay, this is a very important thing, because of if you update your key skill, not updated your key skill, then your profile will be not rank. Okay, because of they are thinking that "Okay, this is a out of skill," so you can mention, you can last use. So this is the one thing, basically this will be rank to your profile. Okay, if you're the experienced person. Okay, so we are moving for the next. So the fourth important tips is that profile summary. Okay, so you can also update your profile summary regularly. So the important thing is that why we need to update your profile summary. So because of when the algorithm will be work, or any recruiter will be search, so basically there is a probability in your profile summary, there is a some detail you have mentioned. So that detail basically useful for the basically searching. Okay, so your profile, maybe there is a basically based on that profile summary your profile will be highlighted. Okay, so for example in a profile summary, what we can add, so basically you have add basically 2 to 3 paragraph summary that include the job role, tool, technology, key skill, certification, and industry. So basically you can check I have optimized my profile and I have mentioned the all the detail. So basically basically profile summary you can check all the detail, like you're the working on the SQL developer with a 2 years experience, hands-on experience in a designing, developing, managing SQL database. All these things you can mention, because of every keyword, every keyword it will be useful for the optimize your profile, because of based on the keyword your profile will be ranked. Okay, so I will, and keyword, how the keyword will work, so I will explain you the in a further slide. So I will give the one example. So you can consider the you have created one video and you have uploaded that video on the YouTube. Okay, so basically that video basically you have uploaded in basically YouTube. So this video will be get viral. So when the video will be viral, basically based on the keyword, and once the any basically initially the you reach like the 1K 2K and increase the your views, then definitely YouTube also suggest your video to the other person. So same like that, same algorithm will be used in a in a Naukri profile as well. So Naukri also, if your profile will be ranked, basically in a search also, if your profile getting in a search also, then also Naukri engine will be search your profile to the recruiter, and once it will be in a search, then definitely you will receive the call or notification. So basically the example I will show you the SQL, Python, manual testing, Power BI, Java, Selenium, like this example you can consider. Okay, so how you can update your job profile. So basically for that you need to First of all, go to your Naukri portal. Then you can check in the left side there is a profile summary. You can click on the pencil icon. So I have not optimized this one. I have just simply put my the job profile. But once I get realize that key job profile summary is also important, then you can check there is a highlighted like that key highlight your career key achievement career goal, and it will be basically help to the recruiter understand your role. Okay, so you can also take some detail. I will also updating my this profile summary. After that you can just click on the save, and once you save, then this will be saved in your Naukri portal. Okay, then for the next, so the fifth important tip is that use keyword in your project and work experience. So basically what happened, so many of student upload their resume. After that they have updated their detail other detail, but they have not mentioned the keyword in a resume, in a project and work experience. So I will suggest you can add the keyword in your project and work experience. Okay, so basically in your project, basically if you're the working on any kind of the project, so you can mention the keyword like if you check the this is the one kind of the project, you can click on the pencil icon, and below you can check that there is a skill use. So basically this is the keyword. Basically you can use like SQL developer, T-SQL, SQL reporting services, production support, application support or development. So all these skill you can mention in your skill section. Okay, so basically this skill, basically repeat any skill. Okay, so basically this if you repeat this skill, then your project and job description, basically what happened, so for example, if suppose let's say a recruiter will be searching like develop the dashboard using the Power BI and SQL for the real time data visualization. So if you updated like this statement, and a recruiter like the searching for the same profile candidate, then definitely your profile will be ranked. And if your profile will be ranked, it will be getting in a search. Once it will be getting in a search, then definitely your profile will be shortlisted, and you will receive the call from the recruiter, or you will receive the notification from the Naukri.com. Okay, then we will check the practically. So you can first of all, for that you can go to your Naukri portal, and there is a in employment section. So first of all, if you're the experienced person, you can go to your employment section. You can add your current employment, and under that you can scroll down. So once you scroll down, there is a skill use. So whatever the current your role, so based on that role you can add your skill, and below is a job profile. So current your profile, let's say for example, if you're the working on the SQL project, or if you've done any kind of the migration project, or if you've done any kind of the good project, then you can mention the your job profile there. Okay, once it's done, you can save this. Then second thing, there is a basically project. So you can mention the all the project. So you can add your project. So basically in that, basically you can mention the project title, then basically your client name, then basically the starting date, and basically there is the project team size, and all the detail you can mention in your project. Okay, project section. And lastly you can check there is a basically detail of the project. So in the there is a area where you can optimize your profile. You can add your keyword like the your job role. Then last you can check there is a skill use. So you can also mention the skill in this particular area. Okay, so basically this is a very helpful for the optimize your profile. And basically many of student or many my student not updated this skill. So due to that their profile will be profile not ranking. Okay, then basically now we will go to the next skill. So the next one is the sixth important skill is that choose job preferences smartly. So basically, this is a very important for the fresher also, and the experienced person also. Because of if you are not getting the call, you can also there is a one chance where we can optimize your profile. So basically, job preference. Basically, this is a job preference for the like in a career profile and basic detail. So basic detail in our top profile, like where our Naukri profile, we have uploaded our photo. Okay, so basically what we need to update in this job preference. Okay, so basically for that, select the job role that match your career goal. Okay, so basically you can update like your career goal, or if you're the looking for the any kind of the job in a particular, or if you're the looking the any job preference, then you can apply those detail in this section. Okay, so for example, for the software developer or data analyst or QA tester or SQL developer or business analyst, so set the multiple preferred job location like Pune, Bangalore, Mumbai, Hyderabad and remote. Okay, it will be increase your visibility. Okay, so basically if you updated, so I will also give the one more tips. So let's say for example in the case of the fresher, so fresher, first of all, you need to focus on your searches. Okay, your profile will be searched in a Naukri. So how the Naukri profile will be searched? Basically, if your profile will be shortlisted by the recruiter. So if suppose any vacancy will be for the Bangalore location and you are comfortable with the Pune location. Okay, but our intention is that key basically your profile will be searched. Once your profile will be searched, then definitely this will be suggested by the other HR. Okay, so for that basically you need to upload the prepared job location, multiple prepared job location. So it is okay that if you are not okay for the relocate, but one thing is that once you will starting for you will get the starting for the call, then definitely you will receive the call from the your particular prepared location as well. So your profile will be, first thing is that your profile will be ranked. So once your profile will be ranked, then it will be go to the search like the you can consider the YouTube or you can consider the any social platform. So like that you can add the multiple preferences. Okay, like the job preferences. Okay, so for that basically we need to go to your Naukri portal. Then there is a career profile. Okay, in the left side you can select the career profile, and in that basically you can, if you are looking for the any kind of the industry like IT consulting, then department, then your job role, like for example in my case BI developer. But if you are looking for the Java development, you can change this profile to the Java development. Also desired type permanent contractual, then employment type full time part time, then prepared prepared day, like the if you are the okay with day shift or night shift or flexible. So my suggestion is that you can, for the fresher you can use the flexible. Okay, because of there is the chances there is a night shift, day shift, but at least you can whatever the maximum searches happen, that selection we need to select. Okay, then lastly you can check there is the job location. Okay, so job location, for the job location what you can do, so if you're looking for the job like Mumbai, Pune, only for that, so you can mention that one. But if you want, if you are not getting any call, or if your profile not visible, then if suppose for example the searches will be zero or anything, so you can add the multiple job location like Mumbai, Pune, Bangalore, Hyderabad, any of these. Okay, so this will be increase visibility. Okay, your profile, this is the thing, you will receive the call. If you're the okay, then you can say to HR that I'm okay for the relocate, or if you're not okay, then you can say the no. But I it will be, first thing is that your profile will be start the receive the call from the Naukri or notification. Okay, so this is the wrong, but if you are not getting the call, then this is the one option that for you, so you can update like this way. Okay, then next thing, for the experienced person, so for the you can also that you can update your expected salary. Okay, so you can also mention your expected salary as well. Okay, so this is the thing, after that you can save the changes and you can close the things. This is the one thing. Then second thing very important in your basically basic details. So you can go to your the basically this is the your profile. So in that basically pencil icon, you can click on the basic detail. So you can check your current job company detail and your current location, all these things you can check. But important thing is that for your notice period. Okay, so this is a very important for the fresher as well as the experienced person. So why it is important? Because of based on the I have show you in a previous slide, so how the search algorithm will work and how the HR will be search the candidate from the Naukri portal or Naukri database. So in that there is a one condition is their notice period. Okay, so notice period basically they want immediate joiner. Then if you're the immediate joiner and if you're not selected this option, then definitely your profile not selected for that criteria. But if you selected notice period clearly, then your profile will be in that search criteria. Okay, So if you're the immediate joiner, you can add the immediate joiner, or if you're the searching the, if you're the serving the notice period, you can select the serving notice period, and you can mention your last working day, like year, month, and day. You can mention and you can save the changes. But if you're the not serving notice period, then you can selected the 15 day or less, or if you're the as per your availability. Okay, for the fresher case, you can like the you can select the 15 day or less. Okay, or if you're the some any kind of the condition, then as per your based on the suitable, so you can availability, you can select the option. After that, you can save the changes, and you can come to the your profile. Okay, so basically this is a thing you can complete in a this step. Okay, the next step, basically in the next step, basically this is a step, this is the important tip for the 7, like enable job alert and notification. So this is a very important things, and I will guarantee that key 80 to 70% who have the using the Naukri portal, they have not enabled the job alert. Basically Naukri will be also create Naukri also automatically create the job alert as per your select as per your apply. For example, if you apply continuously applying for the like the SQL developer profile, or the any kind of the fresher profile, then Naukri also create the automatically one job alert. But this is not sufficient. Okay, this is not sufficient for you. If you're the fresher, or if you're the not getting the alert, okay, or notification, then this is the step number 7, very important for the fresher perspective as well as the experience perspective. And how we can create the job alert, that I will definitely guide you in the session. Okay, so basically for the for the receiving the job alert and notification, first thing is that your profile, Naukri profile, will be 100% uh, fill. Okay, like the your email ID, mobile number, that will clearly updated, and it will be verified by the Naukri portal. Okay, green tick is there. Okay, so then only you will receive the job alert. Okay, so basically apply the regularly and stay active. So basically once you enable the job alert, then you can apply continuously on the any related opening, like SQL developer opening is there, you can apply the SQL developer opening regularly. You can update your profile. Okay, so basically for that, very it is very important that you can update your Naukri profile, or if you update your the detail regularly. Okay, so I will show you how we can create a job alert. Okay, so for that, basically I will show you the one portal. So first of all, you need to go to your basically the Naukri portal. So there is a one there is a your Naukri portal. Okay, so there is a basically once you click on the, so okay, so sorry, so I will show you. So first thing, you need to go to this three line. Okay, so this is a three line. Here we need to click the this three line. Okay, so this is a three line that you need to click on this three line. And then what you can do, so basically you need to click on the this three line. After that, you need to click on the this setting option. Okay, so once you click on the setting option, you will get the new tab. Okay, in this tab you can check the different option is there, like basically the account preference, job preference, then block companies, like this is a different option. But we will focus on the only for the notification. Okay, so in a scroll down, then you can check the there is a one option, there is a basically you can check this is the, okay, so this is the one option, there is immediately looking for the job. So this is the one option first, this is the one thing. Then you can click on the customization. Okay, so this is the basically the customize your the notification. So you can click on that this icon, then you will redirect to the this page. Okay, so there is a job opportunity. So basically the job notification receive on the, basically you can click on the this alert option. Okay, so this is my existing alert that automatically created by the Naukri engine. And you can also update this job notification, like you can add the skill like MSBI or if you are the working if you are the looking for the SQL, then you can add your keyword and you can save this alert. Okay, and also you can create your own job alert. So for that you can go to the job, then create job pre job alert. Okay, this is the option you can select. Once you selected this option, then second thing, you can mention all the detail like keyword, location, then work experience, then salary expectation, industry, and all these things. Then you can click on the create job alert. Okay. Once you create this, your alert will be created. Okay. You can check in a settings options that I will show you the later. So then next one. So apply job. So basically, there is the one notification option. There is the one the button is there. So this is the one button, so you can click the all the button. So okay, so this is you can enable all the button. Okay, so initially it will be disabled, but if you are not getting notification, you can enable this all the button. Okay, so you can check the all the detail, and if anything relevant, then you can change the detail like the pro like this detail. Then you can scroll down and you can check not actively looking but open for the opportunity. So you can click on the customization, and this is the thing for the experienced person. You can select this option. Once you selected, then you can click on the customization. Then there is a lot of things. This is a from the recruiter side. Okay, so there you can check there is a default whenever you create a Naukri portal, this is a default option. There is a basically the this option is a disable, so you need to enable this option. Okay, so this is a defaultly disable, but you need to enable this all the notification. So you can check send the mobile notification for the all type of the recruiter communication. So this is the reason that I told you that you have not updated your recruiter communication. This is a notification. Okay, so because of that, you need to not receive the any notification. Okay, so this is the thing that you can complete. If you enable these things, then definitely you will receive the notification from the Naukri.com. Okay, then other things also I will show you. So basically, the second thing, so you can save the all the changes, and once you completed all the changes, then you can go to the down. You can scroll down. Okay, so you can visit this portal and you can complete your the changes. So the last option is that for the experienced person, so basically your prepared job location, so you can check your prepared job location Mumbai, Pune, or it will be other things, or not, or there is the one expected salary option. So you can mention your expected salary in this case. Okay, and once you done, then you can save the changes. So now you will start the receiving the notification from the Naukri, and all the notification you will receive like this bell icon. So you can regularly check this bell icon. Definitely many recruiter will be call you or send the invite for you. Okay, so the next thing that the tip number 8, so basically regularly profile update, so daily or weekly. So I will suggest you for the fresher, you can update your profile daily basis, because of this is a very important thing that basically you need to update your profile daily basis. Okay, so what exactly we need to do? So basically ensure that you complete your profile 100%, like this green tick mark will be there or not. Then you mention all your detail like your mobile number verified or not, your email ID verified or not, or basically if you have the work experience you have mentioned all detail or not. Okay, so your availability to join, so you can mention this detail. Okay, then basically once you regularly update your profile, then your activity level will be high. And I have already told you, if your activity will be high, means regularly log into the your Naukri portal, like the whenever you get the time, you can log into the your Naukri portal, then respond to the recruiter mail. So it is very important that you can apply the job role, then definitely your profile will be getting the rank. Then keep your Naukri profile up to date, so you can up to date your Naukri portal. Okay, though if you done these changes, so you will your profile searches will be increased, and definitely you can check there is a 96 recruiter will be action will be happen with your profile. Either they have send you invite, or they will call you. Okay, so this is a thing that we can do in a basically in a 8 important step. Even all the small changes or the like adjusting the headline or the skill, refresh your profile and make it visible for the recruiter action. And that I will show you, like the I have already told you that key Naukri show the recently updated profile first. So this is the algorithm that will be work in a backend. So Naukri will show you the only the recently updated profile for the whatever the for the recruiter or the suggestion or anything. So this is the one algorithm that will be working. So you can update your profile regularly. This is the very important, and your profile will be 100% complete. So how we can complete our profile? So for that, first of all, you need to go to your profile. Then here below you can check your profile preferences. You can click on that, and below is the view all option. So you can click on the view all option, and in the left side you can check there is a profile performance. So basically you can check this is the one, the candidate profile. So in this candidate profile you can check there is a 710 search happen in a last only the 7 day. Okay, this is a 7 day timing only. Once he updated, once he optimized their profile, he will getting the started for the getting the call, or getting your profile will be taking the rank, this profile. Okay, so because of the activity level is high, because of the that candidate will be regularly update their profile, okay, visiting their profile. So this is the thing. And basically you can check log into your Naukri account, you can respond to email from the recruiter, and there is a you can update your profile. So profile, basically you can update your profile photo. So this is a profile photo will be clearly visible. Then you should like the you can not take the your selfie or this thing. Your passport photo or your background will be white background. So this is the thing, you can upload your passport size photograph in a Naukri portal. Then second thing, you can check there is a your mobile number. So if your mobile number not verified, then what happen? The no, if suppose your profile will be shortlisted by the any recruiter, but your mobile number not shortlisted, your mobile number not verified, like this green tick, then how the recruiter will be call you? Okay, so they will not call you, they will neglect your profile or reject your profile. That the reason your mobile number should be green tick. Okay, your mobile number should be verified. Okay, then second thing is your email id. So your email id should be green tick, it will be verified by the Naukri portal. Okay, so this is the thing you can complete, and definitely once you complete these things, then you will definitely receive the updation from the Naukri. Then most important thing is that profile last updated. So you can check my profile is updated in a 2 day. So this is the thing. Basically, I have already told you that he recently updated profile only suggested by the Naukri to the recruiter, or any algorithm will be working. Then in this algorithm, there is a last updated profile, last updated time. So based on that time, your profile will be shortlisted. Then in a last thing, there is a photo that I will already explain you. The basically in a lastly there is a one thing that you will miss. So resume, so you can check your resume. Basically your resume updated on today date, not previously, because of only resume updated resume will be show for the any kind of the recruiter, or recruiter will be showing the interest only for the updated profile. Because of, for example, let's say for example, if you have not updated your profile, so the how the recruiter know that this candidate will be basically looking for the job or not? Because of the reason is that if you updated regularly your profile, that indication that you are continuously looking for the change, and you are available for the opening. So if you have not done these things, then your profile will be not shortlisted. So you can do these things, definitely your profile will be shortlisted by the any recruiter. So the next one, so the nine important tip: complete your profile 100%. So basically, it is a very important that your profile should be 100% complete. So it will be basically you can check there is a green circle is there, and there is a 100% icon. So you make sure that once you log in your profile, then your profile will be 100% complete. You have all the detail filled 100%, and like the personal detail, then resume, then skill, job summary, work experience, education, certification, and all these things. Okay, so this is the Naukri will be give the top priority to the fully completed profile. So this is the thing that I already told you, ki Naukri will be give the top priority for the fully completed profile first. Okay, then others. So if you want, and if you understood that one, ki why you are not getting the call, this is a thing that will be happen in the backend. You will not receive the call from the Naukri, or you are not receive the notification from the Naukri. So basically, yeah, so I am audible, right? So can anyone please confirm in a chat box I am audible or not, or if you have any doubts you can mention in a comment box. So Sona Pansari, Bam, Swapnil, so you can mention the all the detail in a chat box. Okay, so okay. Okay, so no worry. So basically, this is a nine step that we you need to must complete. Then next last step is that be active during the recruiter hours. So basically, it is a very important that you need to active during the recruiter hours. So how the recruiter will be searched? Basically, based on the trend, basically you can check the trend. So basically, this is a one profile, and you can check there is a Monday to basically Sunday to Saturday. This is a basically 7 day, and out of that basically you can check there is a trend for the recruiter. So recruiter and your searches, basically when the recruiter will active and when the recruiter will be search the profile. So this is the one profile that I will show you. So basically you can check the trend basically Monday to Friday. Basically recruiter must be active during the 10 a.m. to the 6 p.m. Okay, so that time recruiter must be active. So you can check there is a slightly there is a basically you can check there is a 20 search, or you can say that this is a 7 day data. And based on this data we understood that key basically Monday to Friday basically most recruiter will be search the profile for the candidate. So you must be active during that time. Okay, the most updated profile apply the job during the those hours for the maximum expose. So basically if you need expose you can active during this time. So I will show you the practically as well. So this is one profile, and this is a profile get the rank up to 2938 in almost the last 30 day. Okay, and there is a 203 recruiter will be happen action will be happen with this profile. So that means ki definitely their candidate receive the I think more than the uh, more than the 100 of call during this 30 day. Because of if there is searches will be increased, then definitely your profile will be getting the optimized. Okay, so in that basically you can check this is the thing your activity level is high, and your profile optimization is like this way. So if you compare this one, then you can check the now the 30 day there is a some decrease, 32% decrease in a last week, but we can consider the 30 day. So now what I will do, so you can check the 30 day like the these searches will be happen in a 7 day. Basically you can check, I will open my calendar. So in the calendar you can check. So 27 is the basically Friday. So Friday is a 120 searches will be happen with this profile. And after that Friday there is a Saturday. Saturday is a it is go down up to you can consider 30. So the 30 is go down. Okay, after the Saturday in a Sunday basically you can check 29 is a Sunday. Sorry, 31st is the Sunday. So, okay, so 27, 28, 29. So 29 is a Sunday. Okay, so 29 is a Sunday. So Sunday basically there is a zero search. So that means ki that day no search by the recruiter. Okay, and after that you can check the Monday to Friday. Okay, so Monday to Friday 30 to 4th. So there is a you can check the increase of the searches. Okay, that means ki recruiter will be activated during that time only. Okay, so you can also active during that time you can apply the job. So this is a definitely you will receive the call from the Naukri, or recruiter may get the interest showing the interest on your profile. So you can check after the Monday there is a 80, after that 90, after that 100, and after that you can check the Friday. So there is some slice down. so you can check there is a some decrease the searches. Okay, so this is basically that I will show you that how the recruiter will be search the profile. And basically there is a one question asked my some student ki sir, basically I have checked in my YouTube channel that basically some YouTube channels suggesting that basically you can active during the basically basically you can upload your resume in a daily 3 time 4 time. But this is the reason basically recruiter, this is the by the data this will be show that basically recruiter must be active between the Monday to Friday. So the next thing basically after that in a below you can check. If you come down, so for this profile you can check in a last section you can check 203 recruiter action will be happen in your profile. So why this profile will be shortlisted? Because of if you get the 203 action means that means the recruiter contact you, 203 recruiter contact you directly. Out of that basically view your profile 40 recruiter will be view your profile, resume downloaded 43. This is the happen because of this is the profile 100% completed. And this profile use the 10 important optimization tip. Due to that this will be happen that this will be receive the more profile visibility. Okay, so resume downloaded you can check that once profile shortlisted or once your profile will be searched, then only your resume will be downloaded. That I explain you I will told you in the last slide that your profile first and then your resume. This is the thing that I told you. Because of if your profile will searches, then only your recruiter will be download your resume from the Naukri. Okay, then in invite send out of 68 invite sent to the this profile. Okay, this candidate and contact view basically 57 recruiter will be directly contact to this profile means this candidate. So out of that 57 almost they he will basically his profile will be shortlisted and definitely he will get the more than the basically lot of opening lot of opportunity from this opportunity from this searches. Okay, so this is the thing that I will told you. So basically you can also optimize your profile. That means this profile I will show you because of I have done some experiment in the profile, and due to that this increase will be happen. Okay, so the next, so the now this important tips that I have told you, definitely you can apply all the this 10 important tips. And then next important tips for the your Naukri profile visibility. So basically first tip is that upload recent clear professional profile photo. So it is a very important that make sure your face is clearly visible. This is the first important tip. Then second one is focus on the single job role. So for the suggestion for the fresher, so there is a suggestion for the fresher. If you're the fresher, you can focus on the one skill. Like if you're the fresher, you're the Java developer, then you can focus on the only for the Java developer. You have not mentioned all these things. Okay. Then next one is that so complete your profile 100%. So it is a very important that you should complete your profile 100%. Then update your Naukri profile daily. So regularly update your profile, get the chance for the appearing in a recruiter search. So you can apply, you can update your profile daily basis. Then next one, update your resume 3 time in a day. So basically you can update your profile in a 3 time, like morning, afternoon, evening, this 3 times. So and once you updated this profile, so definitely your profile will be ranked and your profile will be in a search. Okay, so and the last one is that recruiter must be activated between the 10 a.m. to the 12 p.m. So this is the time that a recruiter will be activated. So you can use this time, you can activate this time and you can apply the more job. The last slide for the session. So basically important tip for the fresher. So if you're the fresher, be attention for this slide. So basically for the fresher, highlight your project, then certification, internship and technical skill. So because of you are the fresher, you're not experienced, so you can focus on your internship certification part. You can add all your certification in a Naukri. Then upload certification like the Power BI. If you've done any kind of the testing tool, any cloud technology, you can upload your all the certification in the Naukri portal. And very important thing that apply 0 to 2 years experience job even if you're the fresher. So basically if you're the fresher, and basically I am not suggesting you, but if you're not getting any call, single call, but that time you can apply the 0 to 2 years experience job, because of there is a maybe chances that ki a recruiter may be shortlist for the fresher for this role. Okay, so you can also apply for this job position. And also one more request, the one more suggestion is that once you start the apply, you will start the call, or if your profile will be start the ranking. So that ranking will help you for the optimize your profile. Your profile will be in a search. Once your profile in a search, then definitely you will receive the call. Then fourth one, Naukri paid subscription. So basically, I will not suggest you for the you can purchase the paid subscription. But if you are not getting the call, if you have the immediate job opportunity required, or if you have the some faster visibility, then you can purchase the Naukri paid subscription. So that detail you can check on the Google. So that will be definitely you will receive the detail for that. And the last is for the create a job, create a video profile on the mobile Naukri app. So basically, you can download the Naukri Naukri app from the Play Store, and basically there is a one video profile. So I will show you how the Naukri how you can create a video profile. Okay, so this is the some intro of that video profile. So you can also complete the video profile, and definitely you will receive the call. Your profile will be shortly because of some recruiter directly search your video profile, and they will understood that this candidate having this experience, and if their matches will be is there, then definitely they will reach you, and maybe there is a chances for your interview selection or your profile selection. So this is the thing that we have done. So the now the time is for the thank you for the joining the session. So if you have any question, we will wait for the 5 minutes, and then we will conclude the session. So till it, you have, if you have any question, you can mention in the comment box. So I will suggest you if you have the completed the session, so they can also mention in a comment box their name. So we will wait for the 2 minutes, and then we will ending the session. So I will share you the one link. Okay. Okay. Whoever to join the session, please wait for the 2 minutes. I will share you one link. Basically, you can fill the form for the survey form. So whoever to submit this form, they will only eligible for the basically the bonus part. Okay. So I have mentioned in the chat box. Almost there is a 7 to 8 member. So okay. Do you have anyone having question? Okay. So if there is no question, then we will conclude the session. So thank you all of you for the joining the session, and I hope this session useful for you. Definitely I will guide you for the your interview perspective. And also one more thing, so whoever the join and whoever the update the their detail in this, I have sent the some uh, Google form, so you can mention all your detail. Definitely I will guide you for the optimize your profile, and I will help you. So thank you all of you, and wish you happy learning. So now we will ending the session. So thank you.